ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம், ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். We have been seeing some fundamental and important principles of Sri Vaishnava Sampradayam, Sanatana Dharmam. In that, previously we discussed about karma, actions. We saw the three types of karmas: Nitya, Naimittika and Kamya karmas. Another important aspect to be understood in this is the result of karma. Any action will lead to some result. So here, the result of actions are known as karma phala, and that can be categorized in two heads: punya, papa. These punya and papa are very, very important to understand. One main aspect in this is these punya and papa, they are not like a plant or a bush or something which is looking very ugly and which rises out of dirt. Our acharyas explain that punya and papa are nothing but Bhagavan's anugraham and nigraham, Bhagavan's mercy and anger. If we do an act which is good as per Shastram, then it will lead to joy in Bhagavan's heart, which will lead to his mercy. If we do something wrong, then that will upset Bhagavan and that will lead to anger in Bhagavan's divine heart. So this is the principle of punya and papa. Kuratalvan, Kuresha Swami, he explains in one of his stavans, Yatu tvatu priyam tadika punyam anyatu apunyam. So he tells Bhagavan, whatever is pleasing to you, that is known as punyam. Whatever is causing anger in you, whatever you dislike, that is known as apunyam, papam. So important aspect with reference to punya and papa is, if you do something which pleases Bhagavan, that leads to punya. If you do something which upsets Bhagavan, that leads to papa. Now how do these punya and papa get generated? For that we have to understand some of the aspects in Shastram, very basic ones. In Shastram, aspects such as Kritya Karanam, Kritya Akaranam, Akritya Karanam are highlighted. Kritya Karanam means doing what is allowed in Shastram, doing what is ordained in Shastram, what is to be done. If you do that, that is Kritya Karanam, and that will generally generate punya. For example, if we do charity, for example, if we do Sandhya Vandanam, those who are wearing Yajnopavitam, if one does Sandhya Vandanam, that is an ordained activity. Similarly, doing charity, giving some donation to some good cause, as per Shastram, these are all going to generate some punya, some good result. Kritya Akaranam, if we fail to do what is ordained, for example, if we fail to do Sandhya Vandanam, that will generate papam. And then Akritya Karanam, Shastram says don't do this, don't steal others' wealth. If we indulge in that, that will also lead to papam. So these are some examples where how punyam and papam are generated. Now what is wrong with punyam and papam? Why do we have to worry about punyam and papam? That question will arise here. For that we have to understand that an Atma is in this samsara, in this world, in this material world, due to one's punyam and papam. When punyam and papam are exhausted, one will be liberated. This is a very fundamental principle in Sanatana Dharma. An Atma is in bondage until one has punya and papa. Once that punya and papa are fully exhausted, one will be liberated. Naturally, in Sanatana Dharma, mumukshu means those who seek liberation. So it is a very important aspect for mumukshu to give up punya and papa. Also in this punya and papa, there are further categorizations. For example, there is sanchita and prarabdha. Since time immemorial, there is no beginning for Atma's existence in this samsara. The Atma has done so many acts which have led to punya and papa repeatedly in many births. All of these accumulated punya and papa put together is known as sanchita. It is known as sanchita karma generally. And then there is prarabdha. Prarabdha is that punya and papa which has started yielding results. So there is a small portion of the big baggage which has started yielding results, which we are now enjoying, which we are experiencing. That is known as prarabdha. So this is also something which we need to understand. Sanchita and prarabdha. The big baggage and the small baggage. So once the punya and papa are exhausted, one will get liberated. Now for mumukshus, we are all known as mumukshus. We are Sri Vaishnavas who desire liberation and eternal Kainkaryam, service to Bhagavan in Paramapadam, in Sri Vaikuntham. So we are liberation seekers. For us, both punya and papa ought to be given up. Our elders explain that punya is like golden shackle, papa is like iron shackle. Both of them bond us further in this samsara. Hence, both of them need to be given up. So how can we do the action but not reap the result? That is a general question. For that, we have to understand the concept of Kainkaryam, which we have seen a little bit previously. We do all our acts as per Shastram as Kainkaryam, as a service to Bhagavan. So naturally we will only do acts which are ordained in Shastram, which are allowed in Shastram, and even while doing that, we should not be seeking the results. We should not be attached towards the results. Rather, we should only do it as service to Bhagavan. So naturally, we will only do what is allowed in Shastram. When we don't even desire punya, it is obvious that we won't do any acts which will create papa, any acts which will lead to sin, we will obviously not do, because we don't want to be doing something which is bad and something which is not liked by Bhagavan. So naturally we will not engage in acts which result in papa as well. By doing everything as Kainkaryam, we will only do what is desirable for Bhagavan, what is apt for our true nature. Hence, we will be free from punya and papa eventually by the grace of Bhagavan. But this concept of karma, it is not a very simple concept, it is very, very complicated. Bhagavan in Sri Bhagavad Gita says that this karma is not very easy to understand, even for wise persons. So it's a very complicated subject. We've just seen a little bit about it. ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம், ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.
To learn such valuable information about our Sri Vaishnava Sampradaya, please download Koyil, KOYIL app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Our website is koyil.org, KOYIL.org.